once you have the external hard drive successfully installed onto the MX04 high definition box, there's three possible ways that you can use this box to record. The first and simplest way is simply to pause live television. So you can simply hit the pause button, and you can see here the time lag opens up between the time, which is there, which is 19 and 25, and I was moving on a second at a time. Okay. If I want to play back here, I can simply go play, and it'll play back. So you can see there's a 35-second delay between where we're looking now and where it is. Now, equally, I can, if I want to catch back up quickly with live television, I can forward, or I can rewind. So 2, 4, 8, 16. Just press forward and back, and I can simply press play. And if I want to come back to live television, I can simply hit stop, and it'll just exit clean out. Okay, so that's pause explained, and it's a very, very useful feature on the thing. So another alternative is that I actually want to record something. So this is, I mean, the interface in this, it works extremely well, but the interface is not overly user-friendly. I simply hit the menu button, and I come down here to the bottom category, which is record, and I hit OK, and the password is 4 zeros to get in here. And I come in here to media player, which is the third option on the menu, and I come along, and I have to repeatedly hit the 0 button until on the top of the screen the record facility is highlighted. So you can see it's image now, and next it's video, and now record is on the right hand side. What I'm doing here is I'm actually accessing programs that I've previously recorded. So if I come along here and hit select, that'll actually play back what I am. And once again, I can forward on out of this, and I can simply hit stop when I'm finished looking at it, and exit, get out of there. So that's to show you how you can look at stuff that we've previously recorded. If you actually want to record itself, just choose a channel that you want to record, and just come along and hit the record button, just there. So you just hit the record button, and instantly it starts to record. Okay. So you know, we'll just let it record here for another 15 or 20 seconds, and when I finish recording, at the end of the thing, I can just come along and hit stop, and ask me, would you like to exit recording, and I say yes, and that's it. So that's I sort of did those in a backwards order. I did playback first, but we had stuff recorded previously. For that particular thing there, we could go into the hard drive now, and that'll be recorded onto the hard drive. And the final thing then is to actually set the EPG to record a program that's coming up later. So if I come along here and I hit the EPG button, it's here. I can see there's a program later on that I'd like to record, and I come along here and I have to hit the green button, which is the timer button, and it gives me choices here in the timer. Would I like to record this once, daily, or weekly? If so, it's a particular program at a particular time, you can set it to record automatically each time. And from the test that we've done in the box, it seems that it'll, even if you have it on standby mode or in a different channel, it'll flick over and record the channel you want. But in this particular case, we'll just say it once. I'll come down anyway, that would like to record that program when it comes on. I click save, and that didn't work. Okay, but normally that's it's actually got held up there because we have another record program on at exactly the same time, so that's conflicting with it. Okay, so I need to kill the other record before it'll let us go and do that. But I mean, you get the basic idea here. So the EPG, you can see it's not quite as user friendly as the Sky one, the Sky Plus box and things like that. But then no other box is. But you know, this is a very nice add-on feature to it in terms of the pause live television. It's fairly easy to implement. The software is on the box already, and you know, in general, it's quite good that the box can do that. So that's it from beginning to end. The various record facilities that are available on the MX04 HD box.